Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing you the limited and the best resources for GRE Verbal. Now here you just need to follow very limited resources, and those are the best resources for Verbal. Now what happens is, in real scenario, many GRE aspirants get lost in the many unnecessary and useless materials available freely on the internet, right? They get circulated over the internet, so people will get lost in those materials and they feel confused, right? So now here are the few handpicked and the best resources, right? Now GRE Verbal is divided into 4 sections: RCs, sentence equivalence, and text completion, and then vocabulary. Now each of these sections have very limited resources. So we start with Verbal. Now vocabulary, for vocabulary I suggest you watch this GRE Vocab Barron's High Frequency Words playlist from Spartans GRE YouTube channel. Okay, just go to this channel and open this playlist. There are 2 playlists just for vocabulary, so you can watch those vocabulary, right, in your free time. So they will be helpful whenever you are saturated or getting bored. You can watch these videos. Now coming to most important resources, Barron's High Frequency 333 words PDF. Okay, this is already uploaded in our Spartans e-learning application. I will show you that. Now this is your second important resource, right? Now your third resource is Barron's 800 high frequency GRE words. Once you are done with these 2 things, there is one more PDF. This one you need to complete this one as well. Once you are done with this, Manhattan 1000 GRE words and definitions. Even this PDF is uploaded. Once done with this, go for Magoosh 1000 words, right? Magoosh, the Magoosh flashcards PDF is also uploaded. Just go to that. Now once you have done all these things, this word power made easy, this normally we start whenever a GRE aspirant start preparing for vocabulary. Normally they should start with the word power made easy by Norman Lewis, but then people normally don't have too much time to read all these stories, right? But if you are having at least 4 months of time, start with this book. Or else if your exam is nearing, then don't start with this book at the end. Okay, once you are comfortable with all these materials, then you can read this one. Now this is about vocabulary. Just follow these resources, okay, and don't unnecessarily read all materials. Whichever materials you find on vocabulary, don't just go through them. Just follow these standard materials. Next one, this is about RCs. Your first book should be Gin's RC Technique. So this book, there are many techniques which are explained very neatly in this PDF, right? So there will be certain strategies and techniques to analyze RCs, right? So those techniques are well explained in this PDF. Once you're done with that, then the super guide to reading comprehension for GRE, you finish this second book, and this is your third resource, RC 99. There will be many RCs here. You can, for your practice, you can do that. This is your third RC. Then fourth will be verbal grind. So these 4 books are very important. Okay, just follow these books. You don't need any coaching centers or private coaching center materials, right? Just follow these standard books. Now this is about text completion and sentence equivalence. So again you need to follow 3 books. First one is Chinese PDF, right? So this Chinese PDF has many good questions. So I uploaded this material as well in the Spartans e-learning application study material folder. Your second book will be ETS official verbal reasoning book. Our third material will be Manhattan 5LB. Again this book, right? Just follow these 3 books. You will be nailing your verbal section, right? Now all these materials are already available here. If you see this best GRE verbal material, this is our application Spartans e-learning. Go to Android. This is only available in Android application. Download our application, then you go to this folder, open it, and you can download all the materials onto your desktop. Now you need not actually go and download any other links, right? Normally people will start floating many links where you have thousands of files, right? So don't just go through them. These are the best essential materials you must follow, right? And finally, this is our channel, Spartans e-learning channel. You can join this channel because we'll be posting many important updates. Whenever we post video or whenever we post some updates about GRE, we'll be doing that in our channel. So please follow this channel as well, right? I hope this is helpful. Thank you.